Right, hello, how are you doing today? Today I'll be talking about how to protect your bank details from dishonest phone repairers. Invariably, how to avoid or prevent dishonest phone repairers from hacking your bank account, from hacking into your bank details and all that. All right, that's what I'll be sharing today. All right, so many times when we go to fix our phones, maybe be it hardware repair or software repair, change screen, your phone fell in water and all that, memory is full, you want to free up memory space, you want to do backup, you want to transfer from one phone to a new phone, you want to migrate from one phone to a new phone. Several things take us to the phone fixer and the phone repairer. But if we're not careful, you could fall into the hands of dishonest ones. Of course, a lot of them are honest people, a lot of them are good people, but amongst them, there are still people who use those opportunities to defraud others. In fact, there are some that maybe went into it because of that, or they got influenced to start doing that. All right? So one of the first things you should watch out for is if you're not going to be there, physically present and watching what they are doing, then you should take these precautions. The first one is your banking applications. If you use mobile banking, maybe you have banking applications that used to run, internet banking or mobile banking there, and you have activated or checked your save password button so that anytime you log in, maybe anytime you open the app, you don't have to log in again. Your password has been saved, so that you just get direct access into it. Remove that, uncheck it. Sign out, log out of your banking application so that it's not exposed to anybody and nobody can just click, enter and just go in because your information is there already. So log out from that one first of all. Then secondly, and maybe as many banking applications you have in your phone, just log out. Secondly, sometimes maybe when they're doing some software repairs and all that or software upgrades, they may need your email to be there. So if you are there, fine. If you're not there, maybe in case they need your password and all that to sign up and the rest, if you're not there, you could have somebody that you trust being there. Otherwise, log out of your email. But some may argue that if I log out, I can't remember my password again. It's your duty to remember your password. So write your username somewhere, write your password somewhere, so that when you log out, you'll be able to log back in. All right, because there's some sensitive emails you may have, some confidential emails with some confidential materials in your email that wouldn't want to expose to anybody out there, or it's not for public consumption. But a lot of these things get leaked when they go to the phone repairers area. All right, so log out of your emails. All right, if they need access to your emails, it's either you are there with them to show them how to get in, or you have somebody there to put them through so that you see what they are doing at that point in time. Of course, this doesn't mean every repairer, like I said at the beginning, has such intentions. No. But like I always say, prevention is better than frustration. All right, so look out for that. And thirdly, this one is very subtle in the way it operates. It rarely happens, but sometimes it does. Whenever you're done fixing your phones or repairing your phones and all that, when you go back or before you even leave, check if some apps you didn't have in your phone have been installed for you, especially apps that you didn't solicit for. You don't know what those apps are, so ask, what is this app for? What is this app for? Sometimes I've seen cases where some people installed certain apps in people's phones that were recording the person's screen activities and archiving it and saving it in their own emails, thereby monitoring what the person was doing. I don't know for what reasons. People have different reasons why they do such things and all that, but it does happen. So if you see new apps that you did not install or you know nothing about, always ask. Anything you don't understand, don't assume. Just ask. They may say you're asking too much. Just ask nicely. Nobody gets angry at nice. Being diplomatic in your asking. Ask nicely and be observant. All right. Especially when you're dealing with maybe new repairers and all that. Sometimes you may not even be your regular repairer. You may have trusted people, nice people, but maybe in the course of repair, they took your phone maybe to somewhere else for maybe consultation and all that, or even an apprentice could have interfaced with your phone or your device. And some of these people it will be a third party, a breach of trust, or a third party a breach of contract doing it, not the direct person you're dealing with, but who's the victim? You. All right. So take these preventive measures. Number one, by your bank info and bank details and your banking apps. Number two, your emails and other sensitive apps that you use that require you to log in, sign in, be it emails, be it setting storages, be it setting official, maybe the app that your office uses and all that. So keep those things away, protect them, sign out from them. And number three, even after the repair, all right, check what is new. Ask questions. Some of them mean well. They may ask some apps to you that may help you get more productive and all that, but ask so that you know exactly what is on your phone and what it's doing. And if you have really trusted ones and all that, I tell people from time to time, just go for a phone audit. Let them just check what's happening in your phone. What programs are running in the background? When did they start running? What did they do? Where did they report? Where did they, archive things? It will really help you, especially as regards your banking details and your finances, all right? So you don't give your information out there without knowing it, or some people don't take advantage of your ignorance in this area to defraud you and all that. So when you go to repair your phones, when you go to fix your phones, watch out for this step. And sometimes when you even communicate with your repairer, he gets to know, or she gets to know that, oh, okay, you're knowledgeable in this area, and it puts an extra guy, all right, in dealing with you and maybe those that came with you. So all right, so that's about it for this video, to help you in that regard, because there are many ways people lose money from their account, because of maybe one negligence or one ignorance somewhere, or just they didn't just know that this happens. But I brought that to you today in these areas. I'll bring more in subsequent videos. All right, so hope this was of value to you. And if you have any questions, always feel free to ask in the comment areas as you've done in other videos. And if you want me to maybe do a video about a particular topic or something that happened, you want clarity and all that, you can always drop it in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and I'll see what I can do to help in that area. If I don't have the answers, I'll go seek them. But if I have the answers, I'll definitely let you know. All right, and if you learn something new, of course, always add that too in the comment section. I have a lot of videos on different things about your bank account, your ATM machine, your ATM card, other ways to protect your account from being hacked or defrauded. You can check them out, in the video sections. All right, if you check my video, you see some other videos I've done. All right, and feel free to share this video to people. You never know whose account and whose money or whose privacy you're helping with this. Thank you so much, and see you next time.